Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common error: failed to update database because the database is read-only. This error occurs when attempting to make changes to a database, but the database file is set to read-only mode, preventing any modifications. Let's start the solution for this. Open file location of your X file. Navigate to the location of your MDF file. Right-click on the file and select Properties. Go to the Security tab and ensure that the account running the SQL Server service has the necessary permissions. If needed, modify the permissions to allow read and write access. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Open your application again, insert some data. The error has been resolved. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech tutorials.